Hi, this is Sagar. Today I'm going to talk about my individual contribution throughout the project. PCSS company needs a Helpdesk ticketing tool which helps to manage their internal employee activities and external customer service management. To fulfill their requirement, we are doing a project named as Design and Develop an IT Helpdesk ticketing system. This project was started on 14th of August and ended on 16th of October. Here, this chart shows all the stakeholders involved in this project. We are coached and mentored by Bilal and Tina Arora, while Khalid Ahmed was supervising everything throughout the project. Especially thanks to Mr. Gautam who helped us to contact with our client Dominic Saparito. Rest of the stakeholders are team members itself. Well, today I will especially focus on those tasks and responsibilities which I have done to finish this project. I will start with my roles and individual components done in the project, and I will also discuss about my learnings from the project, and I will also highlight some recommendations. Once we get the project title, I was really happy to do the project because of my specific knowledge on IT service management. Mm, I was assigned as an SME, subject matter expert, throughout the project. To start with my contribution, I had made a plan to develop the system with the collaboration of team members and senior management. I also determined the project methodology to complete all the tasks and to achieve desired deliverables. I established some project schedule where everyone from the team member has to get feedback and approval from me. Well, documenting a project is not a easy task, but being an SME, to make people understand, I research on what is IT help desk ticketing system and how does it works. After the research, I came to know that an IT help desk ticketing system is a cloud-based IT service management tool which helps to manage all the customer queries and also the internal workflow. Especially IT help desk, as a name represents, it helps users to interact with their agent and in a sophisticated manner. This system takes all the customer queries through various medias like phones, um, emails, and and even social media, and resolves them as an individual ticket. Every project needs a method to fulfill its desired activities. In this project, as an SME, I choose a method called as Agile methodology. Agile is an iterative, quick, and responsive actions. We can also call it as an iterative, which means that it is done in pieces. That means sprints. With each sprint, building and improving of the lessons from the previous sprint. And the best part of the implementing the agile method is whenever a team won't able to deliver the pre-allocated tasks on time, the same tasks will prioritize in the upcoming sprint known as product backlog. Well, to achieve all the desired goals, it is essential to have analysis in the project. As the nature of the project, I was assigned to design a survey questionnaire where I have initially designed some survey questions with the help of Google Forms, which is a free tool to design any sort of surveys. Uh, to suggest a completely new tool, we had to know the client requirements and the best product to meet all the user stories. Most of the questions were made on multiple choices, so that it will make easy for us to analyze all the data we gather from. Another important thing in the project is our Gantt chart. Being an SME, I needed to look after all the schedules of the entire project. Mm, mm. Here, I mainly focus on those backlogs which are included on each of these sprints. And this chart represents all the backlogs with its team members, tasks, and completion status in various timelines. Here, I would also like to discuss on those user stories which were assigned to me during the project. These all are the Trello task force, where we can say that um, all the deliverables are created as a checklist, and each of the checklist has a mark as done when it is completed. It also has prioritical experts, where it can be clearly seen which user stories comes first and which needs to be done later according to the method we are using in this project. Actually, this project was really knowledgeable for me. I have included all the learnings that I got from this project. I learned how to divide big tasks into the small chunks and perform them individually. I understand the power of knowledge-based articles and the importance of project management software in the project. I learned how any project can be developed with the help of an agile development method. I also achieved some analytical skills and the importance of service in the project. At last, I'm really happy to interact with some real world problems and clients and agents. To talk about my experiences, firstly, I would like to thank to Federation University to provide such a capstone project and our lecturers and tutors to coach and guide us throughout the project. Special thanks for our supervisor for giving us um, feedback of approval each time of our work finished. Another important people to help us in this project are agent and client. And I would also like to thank all the team members to do such an amazing collaboration. To continue with the experience, I had some good and bad experience. In the one hand, project under agile development methodology is a learning while doing and to solve real world problems. Also, power of teamwork was extremely good. But on the other hand, I would like to talk about some bad experience. Firstly, there were too many confusions when we got the project title, where we knew that we were not supposed to build any software. And another thing is, due to the current pandemic, we missed to achieve a direct communication with our agents and clients, so that we faced some difficulties throughout the project. These are our references. Uh, Thank you.